It is finally time that I can warm this yummy pizza, so now, let's put it in the microwave and warm it up. Wait, what? Why isn't this piece of microwave garbage working? Okay, you know what? That does it, this was the last straw. That's it. I'm destroying this stupid piece of trashy microwave because it doesn't want to warm up my pizza.
Oh my gosh. Carla, did you seriously destroy our microwave? We just heard a very loud crash from our living room.
Well, to tell you the honesty truth, yes, I destroyed the microwave, because the microwave wouldn't warm up the pizza. So instead, I destroyed the microwave for not letting the pizza warm up.
Oh my massively insanely chicken fish macaroni cheese rice goodness, Carla. Have you seriously lost your mind already? We can't believe you destroyed our expensive microwave. Do you realize this microwave cost about $300? That so does it. You're grounded for 3 weeks.
Go to upstairs to your room now.
Wow.